Now I'm going to show you how to write Python code and how to execute our Python code after installing the Python. So go to the start menu. Here you will see that ideally is available. Okay, ideally stands for integrated development and learning environment. It is provided by the Python. Okay, after you install Python, you will see this. This is the interactive prompt over here. We can directly interact with the interpreter. For example, if I write 1 double equal to 1, it means that I am checking whether 1 is equal to 1. It is true. It is telling me that it is true. Fine. If I say 3 greater than 4, it is false. Or I can perform arithmetic. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 by 2, 3 by 3, 1.0. And if I write 3, then I'm also getting 1. Because if I put double slash, then I will get the result in form of integer. So now this is the simple expression evaluation. But if I want to write few more lines of code, in that case, I will open a new file from this menu, and then just a second, let me place it over here. I'll write my code. If I write the first program that we practice in all programming language at the very beginning, that is print hello world. Okay, so after writing this code, if I want to execute it, I will go to the run menu, and I see that there is an option to run this module, or I can press the F5 from keyboard. Okay, so I'm clicking over here. It is telling me that I need to save the file before I execute it. So I'm saving it in desktop, and I'm giving its name hello. So you see the file name is changed to hello.py, and it is saved inside the desktop, and here is the result. So every time I execute this code, I'll get the result in this interactive shell. So this is it. Very simple. So what I did, I download the Python, install the Python, and now I'm executing a piece of Python code. That's it. Thank you. And yes, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. I'll try to answer at my best.